Introducing the new Continuous Certification 5-year cycle. It's flexible, it's convenient, it's certification your way. To meet the American Board of Medical Specialties standards for continuing certification, the American Board of Family Medicine will transition to a new 5-year cycle beginning January 1, 2025. This change will help diplomates maintain awareness of increasingly rapid medical advancements and practice guidelines. Every ABFM board-certified family physician will be enrolled in the new 5-year cycle when their next exam requirement is due. ABFM will honor the current 10-year exam requirement. ABFM diplomates will not begin their next exam requirement any earlier than 10 years from when their last exam requirement was met. For example, if they met their exam requirement in 2022, they would not begin their next exam any earlier than January 1, 2032. If they met their last exam requirement in 2015, they will transition to the new 5-year cycle on January 1, 2025. The new 5-year cycle for continuous certification is built on the same foundational components that make up the current certification process. The Family Medicine Certification Exam, which measures physicians' clinical knowledge, also serves to assure the public that physicians are up to date and aware of the best practices in medical care across the wide spectrum of conditions treated by family physicians. The self-assessment and lifelong learning component are designed to help physicians identify gaps in knowledge by participating in self-assessment activities that include updated clinical content. The professionalism component is designed to assess professional standing, which board-certified family physicians are required to demonstrate continuously. All ABFM diplomates are subject to comply with the professionalism guidelines. The performance improvement component helps physicians demonstrate their commitment to improving care in practice. Designed with enhanced flexibility and convenience, the new 5-year cycle will consist of 5 requirements. For the exam, ABFM diplomates will answer 25 quarterly exam questions, also known as the longitudinal assessment, or may opt to take the traditional one-day exam instead. For certification activities, they are required to earn 60 certification points by completing self-assessment and performance improvement activities. They are also required to complete 200 continuing medical education credits. And finally, they are required to maintain their medical license, continuously comply with ABFM professionalism guidelines, as well as submit their annual certification fee. The 5-year cycle has many new benefits when compared to the current 10-year certification process. First, ABFM diplomates never have to take the one-day exam to maintain their certification unless they want to. Instead, they can spread their exam over 3 to 4 years by answering quarterly exam questions. Second, they will have more time and flexibility to complete certification activities. Diplomates also have the flexibility to complete all requirements in 4 years, which allows them the 5th year off with no requirements. ABFM understands life happens. For diplomates who may need extra time, the 5th year is available to complete any remaining requirements. Finally, there will be no changes to annual certification fees in 2025. ABFM is committed to the ongoing improvement of the continuous certification process so that it's both valuable and meaningful to diplomates. We are committed to upholding the highest standard of knowledge, skills, and ethics possible to support the delivery of high-quality healthcare for all patients.